Just post. So, no. Good afternoon, good afternoon! Ako ay nag-redeem ng coupon sa Recycle. Not bad, ang aking na-redeem. Mayroon akong points na 3,000 something. So, ito yung aking na-redeem. This rice is 1,000. Ito ang points na. This is 1,000. 1 kg rice. Tapos, the instant drink. Not bad. This one is like 500. 500 points. So, I got 2. And then, have crackers. Crackers. How much is this one? Is it 500 points? And then, the Shanghai noodles. Yes, the Shanghai noodles. Not bad. So, yung mga ano dyan, ang gusto mag-recycle thing sa itapon. So, nagtyaga akong ng mga recycle, and then may points ka. So, makaka-redeem ka. See? Yeah, yun lang. Babush.